Willpower is very much like a muscles, and like a muscles, it tends to get executed with use. However, just like the muscles, willpower can also be developed. That is the nature of this brain. If you apply it to maths problem again and again, it becomes better at them. If somebody engages in juggling, that portion of the brain which is engaged in juggling tends to develop. Similarly, we can develop our willpower by exerting it. A little bit of willpower exercise, simple exercise, for example, the body says you need to stretch, but you digest. I will not, it may seem like a small thing, but if you do it, you will discover that then the willpower has started increasing. And even more powerful way to developing the willpower. What is that? Meditation. What happen in meditation? You sit down to meditate. I will think of God or whatever is the object of your meditations, and the mind says, no, I don't enjoy this. I would rather think of so and so. Now the intellect control the mind. Come back here. Every time the mind wants to wander off, you pull the mind back, exerting the muscles of self control. What is the consequence? In 3 hours of meditations, you will find that your willpower has jumped many rungs. Try it and do it. It is not even necessary that you succeed in our meditations, because even if you are not succeeding, you are still exerting your willpower. You are every time practicing that focus, that concentration is an application of your self control. And self control developing in one area of life will stand you in good stead in all of the other areas. So, endeavor to enhance these muscles of willpower through practice, such as meditation.